I feel like Motown Tress is doing what they're supposed to be doing with this unit and this color, honey, because the color is giving everything that it should be giving in more. These little like highlights that I got going on, it got like this 99J darker vibe going on. Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left, unless you gon' get right. What the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo, but taking it easy like poco. Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with a unit that I already did review, but today I decided to pick it up in a different color. This unit's from Motown Tress. I'm wearing it in the style LS136 Love and the color OFH99J Ruby. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So with this unit, you do get your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. It does come pre-plucked. It does come with baby hairs. It does also come with an elastic band, and it does also have a full scalp honey, which you know I had to get rid of. So let me just come in real quick and show you guys what the hairline's looking like on this one. So this unit does have 13x6 parting space. You are able to part it within that 13x6 area. And definitely straight off the bat, one thing that I do notice is I'm definitely liking the construction of this color for some reason much better than the natural color, I believe. What I'm noticing is kind of the quality of this colored unit feels better. The cap size definitely has more stretch than the natural color, so definitely just be wary when it comes to certain units, you guys. It's going to be a little bit different when it depends on the color that you're getting, whether it's a colored or just a natural color. A lot of units tend to have some sort of variations as far as the quality is concerned, and I feel like for this one it's kind of obvious because I like it much more in this ruby color than I did in the natural color. I feel like with the natural color the cap was definitely smaller, the hair quality was kind of not as up to par as this one is. Definitely just beware if you did see this unit and you did like it. I'm just liking it much better quality wise in this color than I did in the natural color. So like I just did say, the cap size on this one is definitely leaning more towards small, medium, and possibly big head friendly. This one definitely has a little bit of stretch to it, and I was able to definitely make it work much better for this unit than I was for the natural one, so I am definitely here for that. The density of this unit, this is all the hair to the front, and it is about the same density as the natural color. It's like around 150%, definitely a very natural density, as you could see. And it's definitely on the longer side. I am 5'3" for reference, and this bad boy does come below my boobs. Now the texture on this one is, I don't want to say that it's silky. It has maybe like a slight hint of silkiness, but it does also have some tones of yaki, which I am here for. The quality of the hair itself feels pretty good, but I don't necessarily think it'll last super long, especially because of the length of it. I do think you could probably get some more wears of it if you were to just cut it down to a more reasonable length, but as it is, if you were to just pop this on and want to wear it as is without cutting it down, I would say that this is definitely going to lean more towards a special occasion unit. I mean, and even if you did cut it down, I don't see it lasting necessarily super long, but I think it would be closer to an everyday unit cut than it is right now super long. So definitely just keep that in mind. This unit is also heat safe up to 400 degrees, so you can go in and add heat if you feel the need to. What I like is that this unit did lay pretty flat. I literally did not add any heat at all, and this side part is doing what it's supposed to be doing. This one was definitely very easy for me to manipulate, so I am always all here for that. And as I did say before, this one did come with a full scalp honey, so I did have to go and cut that out because I'm just not here for the full scalp. And as you can see, like I always say, just in my opinion, I just feel like it looks so much more natural with that full scalp cut out than it does trying to blend it in there. At least if you're my skin tone. If you're lighter, maybe it's more workable for you, but it's definitely not workable for me. And I just feel like that line of demarcation is just a dead giveaway, and I'm just not here for that at all. So I'm gonna just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. My only con is probably gonna just be the light tingling and shedding that I did get with this unit. It definitely wasn't excessive, but definitely a good enough amount for me to know that this is gonna be a special occasion unit. So definitely just keep that in mind for sure. And that's probably honestly gonna be my only con with this unit. My pros on this unit are definitely gonna be number one, the color, because the color is giving everything that it should be giving in more. These little like highlights that I got going on, I got like this 99J darker vibe going on. This color is definitely super gorgeous. The construction of this unit, the fact that I feel like the cap on this one is bigger and more workable than it was in the natural color. The hairline, the baby hairs, I feel like Motown Tress is doing what they're supposed to be doing with this unit in this color, honey. But that's pretty much what I would say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any units you want me to pick up and any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.